Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Cassava Sciences INC, and if you look at its long-term chart you will see lots of volatility. First thing. Second thing, that you can just if you want to ignore, you can ignore this part and you can focus since 2007. So the stock has been going down since 2007 onwards, so it's a long term bear market chart. So in this scenario, although from its recent lows you can see there is an upside of 937 odd percent, but you should understand that in a long term bear market chart the rallies are very sharp and it's indeed give you much more than you think in a lot less time. But you need to be aware about the risk which one must think of before trading in this kind of stocks. It's not about the stock but also about the trend as well. So what we can see is a long term downtrend. Okay, so you need to know about this and need to act accordingly. Now this is the trend. Okay, so this is the trend and this is what you can see here right now. Now you can go as per the trend and there won't be any problem, but these kind of sharp up moves and down moves can create lots of trouble both on the upside as well as on the downside. Okay, so that's the thing you need to know. Yeah, now look at this trend and there are multiple support and resistance level which you need to think and taken care of. First thing is to manage the risk. So if you understand your risk, then obviously you can understand the trade in a much efficient or in a better way. Okay, then we have like this. Now probably this is the thing, or this is the trend, overall trend. Now understand this, there are lots of support and resistance level which you need to take care of. Your first support will come at around $4.68 because that's where this trend line lies, and making a breakout above this trend, so it is calling for a breakout, and where the immediate support level lies at 4.68, below which you have your next support level at 3.29, then you have 1.69 on the downside and 0.79 on the downside as well. Okay, so these are the four support levels, important support levels, and one thing that breaking down of multiple support levels can cause lots of damage. So you should know where should be your stop loss, how much risk you want to take, and how much loss you can consume on your personal capacity. Okay, now on the upside, your first resistance of the target will come at around 11 odd dollars. If the stock sustain above 11, then you can see probably 14.94 on the upside, then you have 21.54, then you have 26.07, then you have 44.78, and the previous high of 2007 and 2011 was $76 on the upside. So there are multiple support and resistance level which will act as an hinges where the stock should reach and sustain. And understand one thing, that this is a bear market trend. So unless the stock moves above 76 and 77 and stay above there, you cannot call it as a breakout or a new trend. It is just a recovery from its long term downtrend. Okay, So till 76, 77, it is just a recovery, where there are multiple support and resistance level. And I'm telling you again and again, in these kind of cases there is a very high probability that the way the stocks are going up on the upper end of the range or on the upside, the same thing you can see, and probably the stock could go on the lower side much more faster than anybody thinks. Okay, so there is a very high probability for that as well. So for that reason, you need to understand and analyze your risk first before considering only profit as a part of a trade or investing. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.